On this edition of MOSI Monday, we're going to try out a colorful hands-on experiment. Fun for the kids to try this one on their own. And who knew you could learn about molecules and motion by studying Skittles? We're joined by a wonderful MOSI educator, Stephen Clemmer. Great to meet you.
You too.
Happy you're here, and you're also a 7th grade science teacher.
Yes.
So God bless you. You have some patience too, along with smarts and science. What are we doing today?
Today we have a very simple experiment using Skittles, water, and a plate to symbolize diffusion. That's whenever you have something from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. So we're going to dissolve the candy coating off the Skittles.
Love it. Okay, well, let's get started. And I have to reference, last time we had Janet on, we did one with smoke and sugar and alcohol, but you might need a little supervision on this one. This one, just go for it, kids. Get your bag of Skittles and get to it.
So we already have them separated.
Okay.
I didn't put any colors kind of near each other so you could see the different colors separating. So you only need to pour a little bit of water so that you are touching all of the Skittles.
Okay.
So it might take a little bit, but we're going to put it all in there.
As long as these Skittles are still edible after we do this, because Skittles are yummy. We don't want to waste them.
You don't have to only use Skittles, but you can use any candy that has a coating on the M&Ms, things like that.
Okay.
So I might take a second for it to kind of start dissolving that candy.
Okay.
But yeah, if you look a little bit closer, you can kind of start seeing some of the purples.
Okay.
So you'll see those.
Purple's first to go.
Yeah.
What does this mean? This gets us asking these questions,
Yeah,
right?
that's great.
Why purple?
Yeah, so you can kind of see they're all starting to go around the same time now too. The colors don't immediately start mixing together. That is because the sugar creates a barrier.
Interesting.
Eventually they will start mixing together. You kind of see the purples overgoing the yellow right over there. But eventually it will start mixing together based on their densities.
So Stephen, you're teaching us about different concepts to be thinking about, like diffusion.
Yes.
Okay, so go back to the densities part. They're going to start to mix based on which are less dense?
Yes, and which ones are more dense. So you can kind of see they are starting to mix a little bit towards that way. So it looks like the purple is going to be a higher density, so there's more of that purple dye in that sugar.
More concentrate, okay.
Exactly. And the yellow is the lighter, right? Lighter color is going to have a less density, less color in there. So they're starting to mix together.
Okay, very nice. What else do you want to let us know about that's happening at MOSI? Because you've got Science After Dark going on. That's
Yeah, we have Science After Dark on Friday, which is an adult-only event, so no kids, right? So the event is from 6 to 9 o'clock, and you get some really cool activities, as well as liquid nitrogen ice cream. You get to play our Oculus Rift and play some really cool games on there. There's also like different vendors there for you guys to try their samples.
Okay, and now I can sample this Skittle juice. I'm supposed to drink from this plate now? Is that what happens?
Yeah, not today.
I drink the Skittle juice? That seems like something my kids would do. They'd love to just, sugar water, please.
Right, I'm sure it would taste good, but yeah.
Well, it looks so pretty. I love how this turned out.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Stephen. Thanks for being here. This
of course.
was fun.
Thank you.